I don't like it, but I want to show to people sometimes they fly up. Oh yeah, this is a big fight. Look at that. My floating rod is going off also.
Oh, wow.
But this one is first. We're gonna grab him first. Today I make the question to the people. What will be a good update in the game? I say, maybe this situation like now, I put my anchor on that you can choose to release your anchor or not while you were fishing. Oh, look at that, it's flying!
Yes.
Flying fish! Look at that!
Oh, man, look at that thing.
Yeah, I got him! What the hell, man? See that flying perch on the Nile? Yes, clip this, please.
I think I did. I think I got it.
Yeah, well. Whoa.
That was crazy. That was crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy.